right now. You are now tuned in. Pen Crispy. I'm still going.
Alright, so you guys, I'm going to be doing like this rainbow cut crease makeup look. And first I'm going to start off with my LA Girl Pro Concealer. And this is in Warm Honey. Just to apply that all over my lid to give it a base and for something for my eyeshadow to stick on. Where's my mirror? And then I'm just going to take my damp beauty blender and blend it in some more. Alright, so I'm just going to use a piece of tape so it can, so I don't have any fallout and my line can be very crisp on the ends. So for the outer corner, I'm going to start with this blue shade. And this is by NYX, and it is called Electroshock. Alright, so now we're going to use purple. So we're going to use this shade, purple. And put it right next to the blue. Overlapping it too so it can be like an ombre. Alright, so purple is on. Next is going to be pink. So I'm going to go ahead and do this pink right here. If this pink is too light, then I'll go to this one on top. Okay, so I'm gonna just go into the darker pink and just go on top of that. And make sure you blend all the colors in so you won't have those like lines where you stop the last color. I have this orange shade by NYX, and this one is called LOL. And the last shade is this yellow shade by NYX as well, and this is called STFU. I have like the smallest lids, like trying to make sure that color fit. Alright, so now I'm gonna basically like cut the crease. And I'm gonna use this NYX Vivid Brights yellow eyeliner. Oh, if I can open it. Okay. So I'm just gonna go right on my actual crease and just draw the line. You do not realize how different your eyes are until you start doing makeup. Like, you see how this, like, the yellow part, like it's folded in more than this side? I feel like I have more skin on this eyelid than this one. Crazy. And for some reason, I cannot find my blue, eyeliner, because I was going to do a blue eyeliner instead of a black, but alright, so I'm just going to go back into my brows and darken them up because I just feel like since my eye look is so bright and bold, my eyebrows need to be a little bit darker. So I'm just gonna pop on these lashes, and these are from Miss 3D Lash. Y'all know I love their lashes. They have so many for an affordable price. Alright, so now I'm going to go on to using this Fond concealer. And y'all know I do use this for like a foundation just because it's so thick and I work in sections. Alright, so for the highlight, I'm going to go in with beige. Alright, so to tone this down, I'm going to go in with my Pro Concealer in medium beige. Oh, it looks so right. The sun is like down. It's not down, it's just behind the clouds. So it's giving me this weird lighting. I don't like this. Alright, so for contour, I'm just going to use this shade Toast. This concealer in Toast. Alright, so now I'm going to use this Wet n Wild highlighter, and this one is called Crown of My Canopy. Kind of like a rose gold color. Alright, so the last thing is my lips, and I'm going to do a nude color, of course, because my eyes are too bright. Oh yeah, and I did do my bottom lashes off camera. Not my bottom lashes, but Alright, so there you guys have it for this rainbow inspired makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure you give this a big thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button below and also turn on the post notifications so you won't miss a thing. Thank you guys again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.
I'm sorry if I seem uninterested, or I'm not listening, or I'm indifferent. Truly, I ain't.
Oh girl, you're perfect. You're perfect. Oh baby, you're perfect.